Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Nifty Bank Nifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is November the 24th. Friends, please make a note that it is going to be a monthly expiry as well when it comes on, that is coming on November 24th. Okay, before we begin, let's listen to our opening music, without which our stocks don't really perform. So there it comes, friends. So friends, in the previous video, I gave you ICICI Bank for a buy. Okay, and see, it has gone ahead and went up, and then there was a kind of retracement. Similarly, I gave you Bajaj Auto for a sell. I told you that even if you get it above this levels, you can sell it. Anyone who sold it here, straight till our target, which was here, almost the target, first target, second target, almost the third target, and kind of little upward momentum. So perfect, as we discussed, our stocks both met our targets. If this kind of meeting target happens on our stocks, that's when we also feel, or I also feel like giving more educational videos, friends. The only thing is we are not getting sufficient likes or enough subscriptions, because of which little demotivated. Anyways, that's okay. I am not expecting huge crowd watching the channel, but that's okay. Coming to the performance for Nifty and Bank Nifty, I told you that Nifty is something that you should be selling, and you see this was the opening and this was the closing. And Bank Nifty, I told you, if you are creating buy positions, create it in Bank Nifty. You see this is the opening and this is the closing. So basically exactly what we predicted is what happened, friends, in all aspects, that is Nifty, Bank Nifty, and both the stocks. So if you are liking the video, do hit that like button. Also leave your comments. When we are live, I can go ahead and discuss things that are left on the comments, so that things are very clear for you. Also hit that bell or notification so that you would not be missing out on any video that I am posting on the channel, friends. Coming to analysis for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be an expiry, friend, and this is going to be a monthly expiry. So be very cautious about that. And if you trade in options and futures, make sure that if you're buying options, make sure that you book profits as and when they come in. Okay, now coming to Nifty, friends, see, I'll give you a bigger picture so that it will be clear. What happened in Nifty? It started somewhere here. At this level there is a resistance. Let me show you that resistance here. I'll mark a box here, actually like this. So this is all your resistance zone. Okay, it's not at a place, it's a zone. From there it has been rejecting like this. Finally it broke its resistance at this place with a gap up, and it stayed above that. Whenever it was coming here, it was going up. Finally, with a very good candles, it broke it. Now it is not able to go above that. That's the reason there is profit booking coming there, and it fell down today, friends. What about Bank Nifty? What do we do now? We are still bullish on Nifty, friends. See, if we want to sell Nifty now, we can go ahead and create positions after this particular trend line, friends. Once this trend line is broken, then you can go ahead and expect this target, which is the gap filling target, 18,104. But until then, we are still bullish on the market. We would be waiting for some kind of a breakout, something like this. Okay, if this breakout happens, we can create buy positions. Coming to Bank Nifty, again bullish. What has happened? It has gone ahead and faced this resistance. Now see friends, if you remember, I told you that it is stuck in this particular area in a previous video, one of the previous videos, wherein this area, this was the all-time high which got broken today. As soon as it broke the all-time high, there was continuous sideways momentum. Okay, and now what happened is, after the sideways momentum was completed, it started moving upwards again. At this level, whoever bought the calls somewhere here after 18th, probably this entire week, call buyers who were there from 18th. Okay, see, look at it. From 18th, anyone who bought calls, their calls came into profit here after this here, and when it reached this point, most of the calls were in profit, friends, and that is the reason all of them squared off their positions and Bank Nifty fell, friends. So this is pure profit booking that happened till here. Now, would it have come even down? The answer is no, because only these people who created buy positions here came into profit here, and they created buy, especially the people who created buy positions here in this day 18th, 19th. These are the ones who created buy positions in calls, friends. I have looked at the options data, and that's what options data is suggesting. Okay, now what next? Coming to Nifty first, you can see that Nifty is now in a kind of a pennant, flag and pennant pattern. This can be the flag, okay, this can be the pennant, or a symmetrical triangle kind of pattern, if you can see. We also notice that there is a kind of a inverted head and shoulder pattern. I'll show that to you. Okay, I don't think many people would have seen the inverted head and shoulder yet, but once I draw it, you will see it clearly. See, this is your left shoulder, this is your head, followed by your right shoulder. Now what has happened is, because of the profit booking that happened today, it closed below the right shoulder. Whoever had their stop losses here got hit with their stop losses, and now if it attempts to go ahead and break this area, it will straight hit the target, which is the top here, friends, 18,487. that's the top. Okay, what will happen is, now look at this. If I draw this properly, the target of the head and shoulder would be exactly little above the top actually. So you can expect this kind of levels, 531ish levels. Okay, so we would still be bullish, but again, if we are creating sell positions, we are selling it in Nifty, and if we are creating buy positions, we will create it in Bank Nifty. Same thing that I told yesterday is what I am repeating. Coming to Bank Nifty, story is little different here. If I am drawing a Fibo from the bottom, okay, which is here, double or a triple bottom kind of a structure, to the top, which was made today, okay, you see it is at the super bullish level, which is at 0.236, which is 23.6 levels, friends. Okay, little below that, and you see this resistance is falling above 38.2 levels. Now what would happen is, it might come down till here, okay, or little below that, and that's when it will face this support and start going up, friends. So that would be the best position for us to create buy positions. I hope you understood the logic, how to create buy positions in Bank Nifty. Okay, worst case, we would always discuss worst case. Tomorrow being expiry, it is quite possible that that can happen. What we'll do is, if there is a clear breakdown here, okay, I'll draw it, and it goes ahead and retests this area, okay, in that case we will draw a Fibo like this from the top till this particular breakdown. Now you mind it, friends, this 38.2 is already gone, okay, it is broken and it has gone down. That's when we can create sell positions at this level, which would be a 23.6 levels downside. Okay, hope you understood the logic, and from there we can go ahead and expect targets till this gap filling. Okay, first target, next target would be here, but I don't think such a situation will come tomorrow, friends. Hope you understood the logic as to when to buy and when to sell Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends. Anyways, I'm repeating again. Selling is when we'll consider Nifty and buying is when we'll consider Bank Nifty, just like yesterday. Coming to the buy stock for the day, I'm choosing Britannia for a buy, friends. The reason is simple. See, you will see that there is a inverted head and shoulder here, and it met its target here. Okay, now this is a bigger one, and a similar kind of inverted head and shoulder here. Okay, and its target would be somewhere here, friends. Okay, 417577, 4180 max. Okay, so that is the reason we are selecting it for a buy. As soon as this trend line is broken, you can create buy positions. People who are aggressive can create buy positions immediately as well, friends. Looking at current market, what I notice is global, everything is super positive, friends. We see greenery across. Now we have Dow Jones added here and money control. So everything is green. So there is quite possibility that our opening would be somewhere upwards only. Okay, so we can create buy positions immediately as well. Now coming to a sell stock, see, when everything is positive, giving a sell stock is really difficult, friends. But still I have gone ahead and searched for one for you guys, which is Divi's Lab. Now in Divi's Lab, what do we see is simple, friends. I'll show it to you. See, here Divi's Lab has attempted to go up multiple times, but it is failing to sustain these levels. Okay, and you see from here it has been falling only. So now simple logic is we can wait for this trend line to break, but so much of momentum will already be lost if we wait for this trend line to break. So easier way to trade is we can go ahead and select this trend line. Okay, or we can say aggressive traders can go ahead and sell here itself. That way their stop loss will be very small and they can go ahead and attempt to achieve. First target would be this 3291, second target 3276, and final target would be 3258. Now there are targets below that, I know, but it is little difficult to achieve such big targets in one day, friends. That is the reason I'm giving these targets to be on a conservative side. I hope you are liking the videos, friends, and if you are, please subscribe to the channel if you are coming for the first time. Also hit that bell notification so that you would not miss out on any updates or videos that I am posting. And hope you understood the reason for sell in Divi's Lab, reason for buy in Britannia, and we are bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty, but we are selecting Bank Nifty for a buy, and in case there is a downfall, then we are selecting Nifty, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would end the video with our closing music. Thanks for watching, and do share it with your friends and family members so that they can also take advantage of the analysis that we are doing here, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.